This video, we are going to talk about 1.1 Objective 10, solve applications involving whole numbers and decimals. So let's go ahead and get started. There's quite a few problems for this video, but they're all kind of short, and we will be using our scientific calculator for some of the problems. A micrometer reading for a part is 8.52 inches. The specifications call for a dimension of 8.5 inches, which is larger than the micrometer reading or the specification. The micrometer reading is bigger by 2/100ths of an inch. A nurse recorded the weights of two patients as 75.6 kilograms and 65.5 kilograms. Which weight is greater? The weight of the first patient is greater. 75.6 is bigger than 65.5. To the nearest tenth, what is the current of a 5.277 amp motor? That's about 5.3 amps. 25-year-old patient receives medication and dosages of, and we're going to add these up, 1.5 plus 2.25 plus 0.75. And we get a total of 4.5 milligrams. Four-sided residential lot that measures 102.6 by 87.3 by 101.6 by 67.7. We're trying to find the perimeter of this to be fenced in. How many feet of fencing are required? I get 359.2 feet of fencing. Printer has 3 print jobs requiring the following numbers of sheets: 163, 82, and 321. And we're going to see if one room of 500 sheets of paper is enough. No. One ream of paper will not be enough. We need more than 500 sheets of paper. Airplane is carrying 245 passengers, and when it lands in Chicago, 121 passengers get off the plane. How many are left on the plane? There's 124 passengers left on the plane. If a box of rivets weighs 42.9 pounds and another 38.6, how much more does the first one weigh? So we're going to find the difference of 42.9 and 38.6. And we get 4.3 pounds for the difference. The first box weighs 4.3 pounds more. Two lengths of copper tubing measure 63.4 centimeters and 5.64 centimeters. What's the difference in length? 63.4 minus 5.64 is 57.76. A bricklayer lays 2,562 bricks, and another bricklayer lays 2,084 bricks. There's a difference that the first bricklayer laid 478 more bricks. An inventory worker counted 4 unopened boxes of washers, and each contained 400 washers. So 4 times 400 is going to be 1,600 washers that are in inventory. Case of canned peas has 3 layers, each layer with 9 rows and 12 cans in each row. 3 times 9 times 12 is 324 cans of peas. Truck is hauling wheat to a storage granary. It carries a total load of 6,864 bushels of wheat and 11 trips. 6,864 divided by 11 means that it carries 624 bushels each trip. Bernard worked 32.3 hours last week, made $371.45. divided by 32.3. We made $11.50. Even though this stops at the tenths place, we're dealing with money, so we need dollars and cents. So we go out to the hundredths place. Case of 18 bottles of water was on sale at the mall for $5.64. $5.64 divided by 18 is about 31 cents per bottle. We have to round to the nearest tenths place. Again, we're dealing with money there. Find the average of this list of numbers. So we have 563 plus 673 plus 534 plus 706 divided by 1, 2, 3, 4 is 619. Okay. We have find the average length of these long jumps. 3.44 plus 3.64 plus 3.41 plus 3.67 plus 3.36. All that gets divided by 5. And we get to the nearest hundredth, 3.50 meters. Rosin is let's go with Roizen is a price analyst for a food distributor. 1 week she put together bids for 693 cases, 510 cases, 833 cases, 347 cases, and 592 cases. So average number per bid is going to be that 2975. We need to divide by 2, 3, 4, 5 bids. That divided by 5 should give me 595 cases per bid on average. I think that was our last problem. Yes, it was. So that's it for chapter 1. We'll see you next time for our beginning of our videos for chapter 2.